Good morning. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we are going to discuss assignment number 8 and the topic the world of microorganisms part 2. So let us discuss one by one question. The first question here, what are called vaccines? As we can see that the vaccines are weakened and disease causing microorganisms which has been weakened, and these will be very much useful for protecting that against the diseases. So here that we can call it as vaccines. So let us write the answer. So what is this? The first vaccine is weakened disease causing microorganisms were introduced into person, as we can call it as vaccines. Weakened and disease causing microorganisms, and these are very much helpful for the protecting itself against the diseases. So where this has to be introduced into the person itself as the process, as we can call it as vaccination. So let us go for that of next question. The next question is, just now as we have discussed what is vaccination, as the process of disease causing microorganisms which is weakened microorganisms administering into that of a person's, that process is called as here vaccination. So by the vaccines, as we can call it as, this is a process where we can write that the answer administering weakened microorganisms into a person's body by vaccines. So that we can call it as the process where it is taking that the weakened microorganisms which is into that of a body, a person's body, as that process we can call it as a vaccination. So let us go for that of next question. The next question is here, what vaccines do kids need? So definitely kids need those vaccines for the avoiding of such an dangerous diseases like polio, and we can write that smallpox, chickenpox, measles, mumps, diphtheria, whooping cough. So as recently as we have, we can see that recent discoveries for the malaria also, they have been identified that they have been discovered that a vaccine regarding this. So here the polio, smallpox, chickenpox, measles, mumps, diphtheria, whooping cough, tuberculosis, there are many diseases are there to take that kids especially below that of 5 years, they need to take this all the vaccinations. So let us go for that of next question. The next question is, who discovered that oral polio vaccine? So there is a scientist who is here, Albert Sabin. In 1957, he discovered that oral polio vaccine. So through that of injections they used to give that, but here he discovered that oral polio vaccine, that of through the mouth, as they can give that the vaccination, that is nothing but we are talking about that disease causing microorganisms, weaken disease causing microorganisms. So here let us go for that of next question. Do you know about pulse polio programs? So definitely this pulse polio program is run by the of a government. So this is what the one of the program which is run by government. So which is run by that of government, as we can see that, we'll write that as spelling here. Okay. So here this is creating awareness regarding that of a disease. How can we avoid that a disease and all. Here the pulse polio program which is run by the of government. So this is very much helpful for creating the awareness for avoiding such a dangerous diseases in children especially. So that's all for this assignment. Thank you.